Hello, Coach Seth here once again. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to buy um, crypto from P2P on Bybit. If you don't have Bybit, you should download Bybit on your phone. And when you download Bybit, you should register, sign up. You are going to be sent some confirmation messages. You should ensure you did that. You do that, and then you open the app. Now, once you open the app, you will make sure you verify the app. Okay, and how you verify it is by coming here at the top here, this symbol here, that is your profile symbol. You tap on it. It's going to take you to where you are going to see um, all your information. Now once you see all your information, you see your UID and everything. If you are just creating your account, you will need to verify. So here the security will be showing you some things you need to verify. You will need to put your BVN number and all those stuff. It might not happen in a day. It might take up to 24 hours or up to 48 hours, just depending on you. Okay, so now back to what we are supposed to do. You can see that I am verified. So unless you are being verified like the way it is written here, you can't do P2P transaction. So now when you go back, we are going to go to P2P trading. But if for instance now, if this is your first time using Bybit, probably yours will not be showing here. So what you are going to do is to tap on more. When you tap on more, this is going to appear for you. Then you check under buy crypto, right? You now see P2P trading. So that's how you navigate to P2P trading. So first of all, if it opens like this, there's a tendency that your currency might not be your normal local currency. So make sure you change it to Naira if you are in Nigeria. But if you are outside Nigeria, you should change it to whatever currency. It could be Ghana, and whatever country. Once you tap this place I'm showing you, you will select your country. That's as simple as it is. So now you are going to see a whole lot of option. There's here, this place here, this one that looks like a board, to be precise. There is where your order is being kept sometimes. So in case you have made a purchase and you come back or anything, you can always trace your order from there. So now why I'm telling you this is because sometimes you might want to find a transaction you are yet to complete. Okay, so now there is buy and there is sell, so today what we are doing is we are buying, not selling. So once you check it, you are going to see that they have different crypto you are going to be buying, right? But the one we are using is USDT. So most likely whatever you are going to be doing, you'll be needing USDT, especially if you are my student on the Metaverse ecosystem. So now I want to buy a crypto of 30,000 naira. So what you do is you enter under amount first. Once you enter under amount first, you type the amount you want. Can you see? I'll confirm 30,000. This is to enable you to see those that are selling for 30,000 at the moment. Okay, so I'll tap on buy. This first person here, Incredible J, order 99. It has. Let me tap buy. Then tap on buy. Now most times the first person might not be the person that you buy from. Sometimes the first person might be ineligible, or it could be one to or the other. It won't work. Then you check on the next person, the third person, and the rest. And also you should watch out to see if the person is online. I always see how many orders has the person made and how fast is he delivering. As of this guy, he sells very fast at 99%. So is somebody worthy to be trusted? So when you tap on buy, you wait and see. Okay, you can see that it's showing insufficient funds at the top, insufficient add inventory. So you refresh so that it will show you more option, meaning you can't buy from that other person. So you put the amount you want to you want to buy on P2P. Okay, when you put the amount, you write 30,000 because I want to buy 30,000 worth of um, USDT. Okay, so once I put it now, it's going to filter all the people that are selling 30,000 naira worth of USDT. The first guy here, high B code, I'll tap on buy, and then amount, I'll put 30,000. So 30,000 naira is going to be giving me $18.7, 18.7 USDT. I'll tap on buy. And tap on buy, I will now come to here, pay now. Okay, I'm going to pay now straight. I'll tap on pay now. Now the person has provided me with his account. So what I'm going to be doing now is to send this equivalent money to his account. So what you will do is you just tap this thing here to copy his account number and look for which bank is he talking of, and you just copy. Okay, so I will tap on the account number and I copy successfully. Now I'll go to my bank. My bank is OPay. Now I come to OPay and I'll go to bank. So I'll come to bank and I will paste the account I copied. Is PalmPay, right? I'll search for PalmPay. Look at it, PalmPay, and I will tap next. So I will look. The name is Kwamudin Damilari, and the money is 30,000. But I want to make sure I verify it. So I'll go and check the name Kwadin Damilari Ajao. I'll make sure that the name is the same. Ibrahim Omotayo Ajao. Okay, now if you look, it said Kwaudin Ajao on PalmPay. So meaning it's the same person. Okay, do not use the word crypto. You understand? So when you are doing any transaction, ensure that you avoid the word crypto. Okay. So since the name Tally, confirm, continue, pay, put your password. So once you finish paying, you come back to Bybit to come and verify that you have finished. You come and make the person know that you have finished making the payment. So you take a screenshot of the payment. Now after you have gone back, here is where you come. Okay, because the transaction, you've already left the transaction area. You tap on pending payment, tap on pay now, and payment completed, because you have finished making payments, and you check all this word and this thing and confirm. Now automatically, now the person is going to release the coin once you have finished payment. So you can snap the proof and send to the person. Okay, 100% to the person. So once he releases, you are going to see it. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to fund your wallet, be it Trust Wallet, Meta Max, or Token Pocket. Now, provided you've already buy your crypto, which is USDT, from the exchange, from the P2P. Okay, so all you need to do is you first come to the exchange, right, which is Bybit, right? You come under asset here. When you come under asset, then you are going to see funding. This is where your money automatically goes to. So you tap on funding. Once you tap on funding, you are going to see all the list of the assets you have, and in this case we have USDT. Okay, USDT. So it's USDT now. We want to transfer it to our trust wallet or token pocket. So now you tap on the USDT. Once you tap on it, what you do is you convert the USDT to Matic first. Okay, you have to convert it to Matic for you to be able to send it to trust wallet. So you convert it, you tap on convert, then you come here, you make sure it's USDT, then here you change here to Matic. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing now. When you tap on that place, that Ethereum, you can see Matic is the one that is first above. You tap on Matic. When you tap on Matic, now in this case is everything I want to convert. Everything I want to convert. So I'll tap on max. When I tap on max, automatically the total number of the 18 USDT that I have will be giving me 34 Matic. So what I will now do is I will tap on quote. As you can see the yellow button below here. When I tap on quote, I will quickly tap on confirm. Immediately as I tap on confirm, I will make sure I do it very fast so that it is going to convert. You can see it has finished converting. View asset now. It has finished converting. If you now refresh, you are going to see that it has converted. So it has been converted to what? To Matic. Now what you are going to do is you go to your wallet, be it either Token Pocket or MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now in this case is Token Pocket. Okay, in this case is Token Pocket. When you come to Token Pocket, what you will do is you will tap on Matic here. You tap on this Matic. As you tap on Matic, so that you will copy the wallet address. So many of you don't know how to do this, so I want to show you now. You tap on Matic. When you tap on it, then you can see here this is receive. Okay, when you see receive, then you tap on it, receive, then you see here, you see copy. Okay, then you copy. This is how you copy the wallet address. Now you now go back to the Bybit. You tap on Matic, and then we are going to tap. This time we are tapping on withdraw. We are withdrawing from the Matic to our Token Pocket. Okay, so I tap on withdraw. Then now, because I tap on Matic, automatically here it is Matic. So make sure it is like that on your own, right? And then here I will paste the wallet address of my Matic address. I'll come here under network. Here I will tap on it and I'll choose Matic because it is the Matic network. Okay, maybe you are using Binance or any other exchange, yours will be Polygon or Polygon Matic. Okay, so but on Bybit it is written Matic. Then here you put the amount. I'll put max because I want to send or transfer everything, right? Then I now withdraw. I'll now tap on withdraw. If this is your first time on your own, if you press on confirm, it is going to tell you to put in password. Okay, but mine, this is not my first time, so I've already saved it already. So when I press confirm, you see it says submit successfully. But if it's for you, you have to use authenticator and authenticate it. Then that's all. Then all you now have to do is to go to your Token Pocket and wait a bit to see if it has reflected. So you can see that currently it is $4, which is 8 Matic, right? So once that one arrives, it's going to show here. You can see it has arrived and it is confirming. Can you see it? It is confirming. So that is how you send or you fund your wallet using what do you call it, Bybit exchange platform, or how you found your wallet. Okay, how you found your wallet from an exchange. Okay, so now what is going to happen is, now I want to convert some of this matic to DAI, because that's all you are going to be doing. Okay, especially if yours is a new wallet. Now don't be foolish to go and convert everything into DAI. Okay, you must make sure you have some matic left. So let's say you are converting, you have $50 and you found your wallet with $50. You need to at least make sure that you'll be left with at least $2 worth of matic, and then $48 worth of DAI. So how do you know this? Is you come to, under the matic, you come to swap. Okay, just be watching everything I am doing. You tap on swap. When you tap on swap, this is going to appear for you. Okay, for me now, I want to convert what I sent, which is 34 matic, to DAI. So that is what I will be swapping to DAI. So I'll tap here, this place I've shown now. So I'll select it and I'll look for DAI. Can you see? So I'll look for DAI. Now I'll now tap 34, right? 34. And then I'll now tap, once I've tapped the 34, I'm going to tap here. Immediately the figure is going to show, right? Which is 18, right? Then confirm. Then confirm payment. So successful. So if you go back here now, you refresh your page, you're going to see that the number of the matic will soon is going to reduce. You see it reduce. It shows that it has been converted to DAI. Okay, so that is how you fund your wallet. Okay, so if you have any question, you could always reach out to me, and subscribe to this channel so that you learn more from me. See you next time. Bye.